Hey everyone, how are you all? Today I am going to show you my sketchbook tours. So this is the sketchbook on which I was working on still yesterday. This is the new sketchbook. I will start from next day onwards, okay? And I will show you all the works on upcoming videos. So I'm keeping this aside. And this is my older sketchbook. So it has so many old works of mine, and this is the present work drawing book I was working with recently. And this is a pilot company, and my father bought all these sketchbooks for me. And this has 88 pages and only 56 rupees price is there. And I will show you all my creations of this sketchbook right now, so don't skip the video and be with me till the end. So let's start it. So I have started this video on February 2nd, so 2/2/21, and started with the Ronaldo portrait. As you can see, I hope it is clear enough. Okay, and the next is Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji, and next Pravas. See the look. Okay, next is a blank page. Okay, I have drawn the grid but haven't done anything on it. And one more sketch was there of Nandini. It was a commission work, so I just teared the page and gave it to her. And this one is old sketch of mine with color pencils. And this is the portrait of Sonu Sood. Little bit mess up with the eyes, as you can see. Okay, the next is this. See the smiling. Okay, and next again one blank page with the deer. I supposed to work on it, but I left it as it is. And this is the watercolor painting of mine. All the videos are available on YouTube. If you go to my home page, you will get all the videos. This is the Odissi dancer. Next is the Mother Nature holding the hands of us. So next is Shri Ganesh ji. This one is the tractor or car with so many smiling faces or curious faces. Okay, the next is Biswakarma ji. This portrait is so lively, so flush of colors, so sportic, I suppose. This is little Krishna with the peacock feather over here. See the eyes. This is the little girl eating an apple with watercolor. Okay, once again color pencil work. The next is the portrait of the tiger. Okay, and this is Devi Durga with the cutest version. Next, the owl, and here it is the watercolor portrait of Devi Durga. And this is also Devi Durga. This is Devi Durga with mixed media. All the videos are available on my home page. This is watercolor portrait. This is also once again color pencil work of Devi Durga. This is the pencil work with woman rider. This is Radha, cutest Radha in this world. Okay, this is Selena Gomez. This one I have tried, but I was not satisfied with the result. So once again I have done the same thing. This time it is pretty much better, isn't it? See, this is Arnold Schwarzenegger, my heartthrob, and this is Deepika. This is Edward Cullen, and this is the little Krishna. Okay, this is the cutest girl, and Allu Arjun, as you can see, and this is me, my self-portrait. See, okay, and this is Hema Malini. So the last one is one story sketch. I have done it is on far before, and this video is also available. And this one is very unique acrylic color of Anjaneya. And this one experiment I have done with the brushes with watercolor and acrylic colors. This video is also available. So this is all about my sketchbook. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed my video. And one more sketchbook I have. If you want to see this sketchbook, then please comment me. I will make video on this sketchbook also. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see more artwork from this sketchbook and from my upcoming sketchbook too. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye.